If you need to hire a specialist for water heater repair, knowing how to find the right person can save you a ton of hassle and cash. So, here's the deal. First, ask around your circle, friends, family, coworkers, because word of mouth usually points you to someone reliable. If you get a name, check if they're comfortable handling water heaters or if they recommend a handyman who knows their stuff. If no luck there, call a plumber, but heads up. They might suggest replacing the whole unit instead of fixing it, especially if the heater is older. Before agreeing, ask them to explain why replacement is better than repair. Sometimes, if your tank is old and the drain valve is clogged or corroded from years of use, trying to fix it could actually cause more damage. Also, replacing a heating element in an old tank is tricky because the metal might be fragile from long-term water exposure. A leak near the top doesn't always mean the tank itself is busted. It could be a worn-out connection or fitting that just needs tightening or replacing. Keep in mind, metal parts can corrode differently if they are made from different materials, causing leaks over time. This is called galvanic corrosion. Always ask the specialist to thoroughly inspect before making any decisions. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring for water heater repair is rushing to replace the unit without exploring repair options that can cost way more than needed. Another common issue is hiring someone who isn't experienced specifically with water heaters, leading to botched repairs or missed problems. Lastly, not asking for multiple quotes or checking reviews can leave you stuck with overpriced or unreliable service. To fix these, take your time vetting candidates by reading reviews and asking detailed questions about their experience with water heaters. Always get at least 2 or 3 quotes so you know the market price. And make sure whoever you pick explains what they plan to do and why it's your home and your money. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who specialize in things like water heater repair. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing their services so everyone wins without the usual stress of searching and vetting on your own.